Welcome back, everyone. We are continuing with section 7.3 today, talking about geometric series. Going back to our sum formula that we learned from yesterday, S sub n is a sub 1 minus r to the nth power over 1 minus r. Today we're going to bring back sigma. Remember, sigma is this E. And sigma stands for finding the sum. So let's talk about what we have. This says that we are starting at the first term of this series. Remember, the last time we looked at sigma, sometimes we weren't starting at the first term. Sometimes we were starting at the third term. 6 is our stop value. The sixth term. So in this case, we are finding the sum of the first 6 terms. And I know that because we started with we're starting at the first term and stopping at the sixth term. So the sum of the first 6 terms. We have S sub 6. We know that this 3 is our R value, but we don't necessarily know what our first term is. So before I can use my formula, I have to find the first term. Remember, this is our rule. This is how we find things. So our first term, we would find by doing 2 times 3 to the first power. Remember, we do exponents first, so 3 to the first power is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So our first term is 6. R is 3. And N is 6. So we're plugging into our formula. A sub 1 is 6 times 1 minus 3 to the 6th power over 1 minus 3. I'm going to plug this into the calculator, and I end up getting the sum of the first 6 terms is 2,184. Our second equation there, again, we're starting at the first term. We're stopping at the 8th term, so we're finding the sum of the first 8 terms. We know R is 5, so we're going to find our first term. Our first term, 4 times 5 to the first power. 5 to the first power is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. So 20 times 1 minus 5 to the 8th power, because they want to know the sum of the first 8 terms, over 1 minus 5. So I'm going to type this into the calculator, and we get 1,953,120. If you're interested in using the graphing calculator for solving these with your sigma, then make sure you click on the next link for day 3 calculator notes. Otherwise, have a great one.